I love German Shepherds. Are they great for a family?
Good-natured and energetic, the German Shepherd has been a popular pet since the first time Rin Tin Tin appeared on TV. They are beautiful, great with children, and easy to train. The German Shepherd is considered by many to be the best family companion of all the herding breeds, and if Timmy ever falls down the well...
Is it safe if small children are around?
Yes, definitely. A well-bred, well-adjusted, and trained dog is, for the most part, generally good with other pets and excellent with children in the family.
How much care does a German Shepherd need?
The GSD's coat requires regular brushing. They need exercise and, while a simple walk in the park might be enough to satisfy one dog, others working nature might require you to be a little bit more creative. Keep him stimulated by asking him to fetch, herd, or climb over or under something.
I live in an urban area. Will a GSD adapt well to city life?
The German Shepherd will do okay in an apartment if sufficiently exercised. They are relatively inactive indoors and do best with close family relationships. A backyard with some space to run around is preferred, but not mandatory.